Hello and welcome. Before you attend my 2-day workshop on Manifest High Income, I request you to watch this video completely to understand why you should care to give your 4 hours to this workshop and how these 2 days may change your financial position forever. This is not a motivational workshop. This is not a casual learning. This workshop is for people who are serious about their income growth and stability. And also at the end of this workshop, I will give you one activity. Please complete it honestly. It will help you to enter the workshop with the right clarity. Most people over here are working professionals. You have upgraded your skills, taken more responsibilities at workplace, may have changed your job for better salary or stability. Also have started side hustle for extra income. Some of you may have tried affirmation, visualization or gratitude practices, but still income growth feels slow, stressful or unstable. Sometimes income increases a little, but stress, pressure, mental overload increases faster. Let me say this very clearly. You are not lazy, you are not careless, you are not doing anything wrong. Then why this is happening with you? This is exactly what the 2-day workshop is designed to solve for you. If you could relate to what I just said, then this workshop is extremely important for you. In these 2 days, I will share a science-based approach that successful professionals have already used to change their income reality. And no, this workshop is not about boring affirmations or positive thinking. This is way beyond that. So do not miss the day 1 at any cost, because that is the day I will reveal the real reason why income stays stuck for most of the people. Let me explain this with a simple example. 3 friends are standing together. All used to be smokers. Now 2 of them want to quit. Friend A offers a cigarette to friend B. Friend B says, "No, I'm trying to quit." Then the same cigarette is offered to friend C. Friend C says, "No, thank you. I'm not a smoker." Both B and C friends want the same result, but their inner position is totally different. On a stressful day, friend B may still smoke, but friend C will not. For him, it is not an option. To smoke or not smoke is not an option. Just think about this example. We will discuss this deeply inside our workshop. Now your activity. Below this video, please write your name, your profession. What is the biggest challenge you are facing in using manifestation to improve your income? If you have never practiced manifestation before, please write "never tried." No long explanation, just be honest. Those who complete this activity will also be eligible for an Amazon coupon, which I will announce during the workshop. Please complete this now. I'll see you inside the workshop. Thank you.